Well, I don't have hardware to put the pipe onto the header. And this flasher doesn't work. So, we're going to take the valve cover off now and replace two of the roller followers that are probably bad that I thought were good. If I can get the camera to, this is not going to work. There it is. Don't mind me, just choking on water. Come on. See, what I thought was good ones was the fact that I could not push it. Apparently those are bad ones. Because you can push these. Can't push it. Must be bad. So, guess I'll have to order 4 more. That goes on. This goes on. There you have it. Simple, easy fix. on an Escort. Voila! Okay, I spared you guys the pain of watching me tear down the side of the car to get to the timing belt. So, we have our crank bolt on to turn the engine, and we got to get, use my finger, there's a triangle in here to face basically directly upwards. There's a dot in there, and then I got to take that tensioner pulley off, and I'm hoping my water pump is good because it was replaced before I bought it. So I'm loosening the tension. Supposedly by doing that, but mine does not seem to be moving. Why is that not move? This may be where all my noise has been. Yeah, I got that thing practically almost all the way out. And that belt still doesn't move. I don't know how well you can see that, but she definitely due again. There's some cracks, some wear. All right. Okay. I got the old tensioner block and spring out because my kit comes with the new block and spring. Got the new belt. I checked every bit of my pulleys on this thing because for some reason when the AC is on it makes a whining noise, and I've replaced every other idler pulley there is. So the only other thing that can be the alternator or the power steering pump, which I don't care. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys watch me struggle with this a little bit. Easy peasy timing belt. Got the pulley in, got the belt on. And boy, does that have tension already. Now we just got to release that tensioner, which I gotta get my ratchet back. One-handed things. And we're going off. And I feel like that is off down there. Flail the camera around, swapping sockets. It's great for YouTube, right? That should be lined up. And that is lined up. So yeah, we're perfect.